Email marketing might seem old school, but for small businesses, it's still one of the smartest and most cost-effective ways to drive sales. Unlike social media posts that disappear in hours, your emails go straight to your customer's inbox, a place of trust. Start by collecting emails from real people who care. Offer a discount, a guide, or a freebie. Next, craft emails that get opened. Use short, snappy subject lines and speak like a human, not a robot. Add one clear call to action and use eye-catching visuals. Segment your audience so you're sending the right message to the right people. Then automate your flows to save time. Don't forget to check your stats. A/B test and improve over time. Need help with your email game? MarketinGear helps small businesses turn emails into results. Click the link below to book your free strategy call.